Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. And if you have to keep your legs elevated, this Lounge Doctor elevating leg rest pillow is so comfortable. The memory foam is cushiony, but also solid enough to give the support where it's needed. When you put your legs up on it, I feel like they settle nicely in the curve of the pillow. The cover is zippered and can be removed. The bottom also has a non-slip grid dot, so you don't find yourself constantly having to readjust. And because there's a cooling gel in the foam, your legs won't get hot, especially if you have to keep them elevated for an extended period of time. The shape and memory foam of this Lounge Doctor elevating leg rest pillow makes having to keep your legs elevated both comfortable and relaxing. And that's my point of view.